What is going on, guys? Has been like probably like since Monday. Today's Wednesday, so we've been working on the truck. We got this side fully done. It's ready for primer. That's why I have everything taped up right here. And yeah, this is what I'm a primer. I might actually do the hood and tailgate today as well. And then my dad's gonna be working on the roof, and I'm gonna be working on this side. This side, it doesn't really have to be taken off all the paint. As you see on this side, we did take off all the paint. The door didn't really need to do it, so we didn't do that. Neither did the gas tank or that. Other than that, everything we did have to take off everything, but this is what it looks like right now. I am going to take off the wheels right now. He did bring me his stocks, so I'm going to be putting those on for now because I do not want to get overspray on these. He said it's okay with those, so you guys probably did see that we do have the hood on, the HD hood on, and also the 2015 bumper is here too, so we got that. I'll be showing you guys when we primer the whole truck right now. I'm just gonna eat real quick and change out the wheels, and then it should be ready to primer. My dad should get here, so okay guys, you guys already saw I did get to primer this side, but now I'm gonna get the tailgate and this side ready for primer for today. The roof as well, I'm gonna do some up there too. And yeah, we're gonna get started on this and hopefully I can primer today. I got the tailgate done, this bedside done, and down there done. But right now I'm gonna move my truck. I had it in here because I didn't have any room outside, so I just put it in here. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Did primer the other side, but I didn't get to record it. I haven't been recording much actually, but I will show you guys right now that I did primer that side. And also the driver's side and the roof is primered. You guys will probably see that after this clip. And we did get to something else as well, which you'll be seeing literally right after this. So you'll be seeing this. This is gonna be like part 2 and 3 together. Yeah, part 2 and 3 together. Almost ready for paint. I do have to block the whole truck again and then primer one more time. I did block it already, but this paint was really bad. The body on it was bad, so I'll block it again and then primer it. And this side should be ready for wet sand. And then onto the other side, I will block it, primer it, and then block it again, and then it'll be ready for wet sand as well.